In this video, I'm going to teach you Irish lace crochet flower motif. This is going to be a slow step-by-step tutorial. The pattern is very easy and beginner friendly. We start by making a ring. I'm going to wrap the yarn around my two fingers 10 times. Make sure you tuck the tail end on the inside. Now we insert the hook between the two fingers and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through to secure the loop. Now we make 12 single crochets over the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Slip stitch into the first single crochet to close the ring. Now we have to make the petals. Start by chaining 3. Yarn over and insert your hook into the same stitch. Pull only through 2 loops and leave 1 loop on the hook. Repeat this process. We're going to do this process 8 more times till we have 10 loops on our hook. We complete the petal by yarning over and pulling through all the loops on our hook. Make a slip stitch to secure and then make 2 chains. This completes the first petal. Now we skip 1 stitch and we are going to work on next petal in the next stitch. We yarn over and insert our hook into the stitch and pull up a loop, then pull through 2 loops and repeat this 9 more times. We have now completed 2 petals. Now we must repeat the process by skipping 1 single crochet and making a petal in the next single crochet till we reach the end of the ring. I am now going to speed up the process. Now we make a slip stitch in the first petal to complete our flower. We have now completed our Irish crochet flower motif. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon.